Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an Instapot Keto Stroganoff, which is one of my family's favorites when they come over to eat. So we're going to saute the onions in the Instapot. This is all getting done in the Instapot. There's already olive oil in there. It's already preheated. So I'm just going to dump the onions in. And it's 2 onions in here that I'm putting in. This recipe is from the two Sleevers, which I will post the recipe on it. Two Sleevers has been so far one of my favorite websites that I've been on for keto. So it's a cold, rainy day today. It's been coming down pretty hard today. So this is actually going to be a good warm meal to keep it up, to keep us warm. I do pasta for the family. I put pasta in their stroganoff. I split it in half, and I do cauliflower fried rice or cauliflower rice in ours, so we don't have the carbs in it. So you could do it, split it like we do for your family. If your family's not doing keto, do half of it in pasta, the other half in cauliflower. That's almost translucent, so I'm going to add the garlic now, so that will kind of cook with the onions at this point. And that was 3 tablespoons of garlic. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Instapot. They're actually pretty easy to use. It's kind of a throw everything in like a crock pot and forget about it until it goes off. So it's one of my go-to places when I want something fast to make. So that's translucent now. Now it's just adding everything in. So the meat, I got 3 pounds of meat. I got 1 whole thing of mushrooms. 1 big container, oops. And then some salt and some pepper and Worcestershire sauce and water. Okay. And then you're going to turn that off from sauteing, and you're going to put it on manual. Manual on high for 20 minutes. And then that's it. We'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm just going to clean up really fast. In 20 minutes I'll come back, show you what it looks like, and show you the last steps that we do. Okay, it's been 20 minutes plus an additional 15 minutes. You'll need to let it sit for 10 minutes to do a natural release. Those of you that don't know about Instapot or aren't familiar with Instapots, a natural release is when it kind of cools down on its own. The steam's not popping up as soon as you do it. But here it goes. On Instapots too, they won't let you open it unless the pressure is released. So just a little safety precaution they have. See, it's locked. The sun just decided to come in. Gonna kind of mix it. Now we're gonna add a cup of sour cream to it. We actually do a little bit more just because my kids like a little bit more, so you could kind of fool around with the sour cream a little bit to taste. Okay, and it is pretty liquidy. So we add xanthan gum. If you're not familiar with xanthan gum, it's a keto version of cornstarch. So you're just gonna add a little bit of xanthan gum to it. Okay, and then you just need to make the noodles and pour it right over the noodles and it's done, or cauliflower like we do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's good for those cold days. Have a good day.